Who he sexted?
What are you doing in here? Get out. Okay, look, you got me. I'm having a heavy flow day. It's...
What are you doing with this?
This is not how it looks. Okay, it's just a misunderstanding.
Homelander should have charred yo ass as soon as he found out that you were fucking Huey.
Huey saved your life. We both did.
You're a mistake.
Okay, if you just give me a minute, I can explain.
You know, I just want you to think about me when you're getting the skin peeled off your face, bitch.
You're not gonna tell anyone anything.
Who says that I haven't already?
Because then I'd already be dead. You're not gonna do shit.
Why is that?
Because you killed your fucking girlfriend. That's what you told Huey, right? That you killed Popclaw?
You can't prove anything.
Did she suffer? Did you look into her big, sad eyes while you did it?
Fuck you.
Yeah, see? I looked at the Vought forensics report and... wow. All those needles jammed into her arm at the same time. I mean, one of them actually shattered the bone. Did you know that? Would someone really do that to themselves? I mean, doesn't look like an accident to me. I mean, Vought's happy to bury it, but, you know, say if Sports Illustrated found out.
If you do that, I'm gonna take you down right with me. And then we'll both be dead.
Go ahead. Fucking try it. I don't give a shit.